Hello friends, welcome to IndoNihonVibes. Today we will be solving the vocabulary test 1 of JLPT N5 level. Hi, hajimemashou. Blank ni nani o iremasu ka? Ichi ni san yon kara ichiban ii mono o hitotsu erande kudasai. So you have to choose the most appropriate option from the given options. Hi. Ashita wa dash des. Ashita means tomorrow. Ashtava dash this. So this is the kanji of rain. Rain is said as ami. Hey. Ashtava ami this. Dash made basude ikimasu. So you can see here the pattern is kako, gakko, gakko, gakuko. So you have to choose which is the correct pronunciation or correct writing. So it is gakko. Okay, it is not kako, it is not gakko. Okay, this is like gakuko. It is not gakuko also, it is gakko. Gakko made basude ikimasu. Till the school I go by the bus. Kono hon wa kanji ga dash des. कोनो होन वा कांजी का डैश देस. इस किताब में कांजीज बहुत सारे हैं. ओई oi this. Oki is big and oi and oui is a wrong pronunciation. So oi. 2 times o and e. That is oi. Kono hon wa kanji ga oi this. इस किताब में बहुत सारे कांजीज है. Tsugi. Noto ni namae o katakana de dash. I repeat. Noto ni namae o katakana de dash. So in the notebook, name katakana. Okay, so I have written the name in katakana in my notebook. So written, write. Okay, so write is called as kakimasu. So kakimashita. Noto ni namae o katakana de kakimashita. I wrote my name in the notebook in katakana. Yes, the last one. Dash wa achira des. Achira is over there. Kochira, sochira, achira. Dochira is like where, asking the question. Kochira, sochira, achira. So achira is like over there. So here you can see the first kanji is demas kanji, which means to go out. And the second kanji you can see of mouth, which is like exit or entrance. It is used for entrance or exit. So here you can see deguchi. Deguchi wa achira desu. The pronunciation will be deguchi. Hai. Arigatou gozaimasu.